I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: company code, work email, and an available two-factor method. Once done, open on or connect on your device. Make sure your browser is up to date. Enter the company code, then your email, and expect an identity verification step: photo ID, email link, or SMS code. Follow prompts immediately because sessions time out quickly. This gets you past gating checks, so you can begin configuring profiles and access without delay. Now you configure core settings, fill your profile fields, and assign your role and department. Once your profile is saved, go to Permissions and set reviewer or editor access as needed. Request admin scopes from your manager if required. Next, connect integrations. Link your calendar, payroll, and single sign-on. Make sure to authorize tokens and grant only necessary scopes. As you enable each integration, test one by one so you isolate failures and confirm data flows correct. Finish by executing a full test flow. Create a sample request, route it for approval, and confirm notifications reach recipients. Once the flow succeeds, verify export permissions and log retention to match policy. If something breaks, first re-authenticate SSO and reconnect integrations, then clear browser cache and retry. If issues persist, check firewall rules and API quotas, because blocked endpoints or exhausted rate limits are common causes. Finally, document the successful checklist so your team can reproduce the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.